Alrighty, so like I said, the best way to access your stuff is through the calendar to make sure you're staying on track. So I'm going to show you through math, and we're going to open up our lesson. So for Cami, this is all going to be done online. So once you have downloaded or installed the Cami extension onto your computer, you'll be able to access it every time you click print. So on your math, you print them. On language arts, those buttons are yellow. So up in the top right corner is where you're going to open with Cami. All right. So you can kind of change things. So I already have this one open. I'm going to get rid of that, and we're going to delete the highlight. But what we can do is add multiple different things. We can mark things up. So you can always just highlight, like I said, like that was before. You can have it read something aloud to you. So if you want it to read that, it will do so. So then it can kind of help you fill things out. So something I know weighs about a gram, I'm going to enter with a text box, and I'm going to say a paper clip weighs about 1 gram. All right. Then if I wanted to draw a paper clip, so say I don't know how to spell it or I just feel like drawing it, right here you can draw anything using your finger on your screen. So you can use it with black, you can do green, however you would like. And then you can just kind of draw your paper clip or whatever you would like to draw on the screen. All right. So you have the ability to add a text box, to draw, and you can always erase things. Lastly, in order to download this, so just doing this and just typing on here and saying items, this does not save anything. So you will have to download this to your computer. So you're going to click this up here in this upper right-hand corner. You're going to download. You want it to say your computer with annotations. That means with the edits. An option to change the name. I would always change it to whatever I'm working on. So these are the lesson 28 math notes. So then once that is all checked, you are going to begin the export. So it is now going to show you what you saved. So it is now going to have every single edit that you made on this worksheet. All right. No need to keep this open. It is on your computer and you can access it by adding your documents. So once you work through this lesson, you are going to have the option to turn in your lesson notes. So you're going to click to lesson notes every single time. This plus button is only if you want to write me a comment. This blue plus button down here is what you need to press to add an attachment. So this is for comments. This is for attachments. So you're going to attach a file that you saved. Choose your file. So I know that I downloaded my lesson 28 math notes, and I'm going to upload it. So now that is attached, and I am going to submit my work. All right, so that is an important step, that blue plus button, attach your file and submit your work. This completes that activity and you are good to go for the day. You can go ahead and head back and start working on something else.